From visitmysmokies.com, it's the Funcast, and I'm your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Poteet. Well, we've lost some of the day-to-day storminess that we went through in July, but now we've added a little Debby wrinkle, if you will. Keep watching. I'll show you one day where the Smokies could see a few showers around from the leftovers of the tropical system that is working its way up the East Coast. We'll talk more about that in a moment. It's still hot and humid in general, but I will also show you when the humidity falls in my week of weather. It's on the way here from visitmysmokies.com. One good way to cool off in the meantime is a trip to that family fun favorite, Dollywood's Splash Country. And in fact, this is the last week the water park is open every day. So pick a day, any day, to cool off through Sunday. There's so many rides there, too, different ways to enjoy the water. I'm talking Big Bear Plunge, the Downboat Float Trip, and Fire Tower Falls, Mountain Scream, and Tennessee's first water coaster, first and only water coaster, River Rush, races through the trees, 4 stories in the air, 4 drops along the track, with hairpin turns and dark tunnels and the rushing water. It's everything you love about a regular roller coaster combined with, obviously, a splash of water. A reminder that it's always 60 to 70 degrees inside in America's first indoor snow park. Pigeon Forge Snow uses state-of-the-art snowmaking tech to transform a 35,000 square foot indoor facility into a winter wonderland. A beautiful sight. You're happy tonight. Several lanes of snow, year-round snow tubing. They don't use synthetic material. The attraction slope are covered in genuine fresh powder. And there's also a snow play area to play in that 100% real snow. I don't have any of that 100% real snow in this forecast, as you can see here, not with those high temperatures, but I do see a break in the humidity. Look at those lows, and you'll notice one of them is not like the others. Most of them are in the upper 60s to around 70. Well, Sunday morning, it drops to 61. That's an indication of the drier air that's moving in that day, and I think it's going to stay a while. So starting Sunday and into much of next week, it should be a little easier to breathe. In the meantime, hot and humid, and that's the day, Friday. That's the day that I think we could see some showers kind of on the backside of what will be left of one-time Hurricane Debby. So nothing too terrible around the Smokies, but you may want to have a plan B for Friday. That's Debby Day. Every day is a great one in the Smoky Mountains. It's not too early to start making those Labor Day plans. All you need to do is go to the main menu of our website and click Stay from that menu, and then start making your plans from visitmysmokies.com.